How to protect your Telegram app. If you are looking for a way to secure your Telegram account without having the problem of intrusion or hackers in your account, this video is for you. On your Telegram app, navigate to the top left corner, make sure to click on these 3 ellipses. This will land you on an interface like this with a bunch of menus. Make sure to click on privacy and security. Then with this selected, this is where the magic will happen. Under privacy and security, we have to first enable our 2-step verification. So make sure to click on it and then continue to click on set password. Then you can create any password that you want for future verification purposes. After that, you're gonna re-enter it again, but make sure this password is something that you will really remember, as when it is forgotten, it's gonna cause a big problem to your account. After you successfully enable your 2-step verification, make sure to go back again, but this time we're gonna click on passcode lock. With this selected, we're gonna make sure our Telegram app has a pin which is gonna be required anytime someone wants to access our Telegram app. So we're gonna make sure we click on the enable passcode. Then this time we're going to enter the passcode that we want, and it's going to be only 4 digits. Having these 2 things on your Telegram is the best way to protect and secure your Telegram account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.